The first fishing trips you take with your children can make a big difference in whether they decide to enjoy fishing for the rest of their lives or just not want to do it again. It's important to keep things
Bring
fun
it
and
up.
simple and have some
There you go.
success on
Good
that first
job.
trip.
Bring it up to me. There you go. Good job. Look at that. Oops. Okay, that's good. Now pick the tip up. Ooh, that's a big one.
Having success is actually pretty easy.
Hey, look at that.
It's a matter of
That's a nice fish.
knowing what you're trying to achieve before you go out, thinking it through for a little while. Make sure that if it's going to be about fishing only, that you go to a place where they could catch fish. And if you're not sure, it's better to just make it not all about fishing. There, a lot of times there's other things to see on the lake or the rivers. Technique is so important for first-time fishermen to learn, and it's great to make them feel proud of how well they're doing, whether they're catching fish or not. The better they get, the better chance they'll have of catching a fish. The excitement
Come on,
of
keep
the
reeling.
fish wiggling on the line, I think,
Keep
is
reeling,
what
you're good.
gets most people hooked on the
Is that
fishing.
the first fish you caught?
And
Look at
anyways,
that.
be patient with having your children
Pull it
handle
all
the
the way up.
fish. Not all of them will want to handle them right away. These two, they
Fish number two.
were a little
Good
afraid at
job.
first
What kind of fish is that?
about touching the fish, and then
Oh,
by
it
the end
got
of the
off.
day, they
This is.
were holding them and talking about different features of
Ooh,
the
that's a
fish.
nice
Is
fish.
pretty nice to see. On this trip, since these boys hadn't really touched fishing poles before, we didn't
Good
let them
job.
cast. I did the casting and then let
Boy,
them
you're a
reel
good
it
fisherman.
in
Look at that. Isn't that
and
fun to fight those?
taught them how to feel the fish. And they had a lot of fun doing it. They didn't need to cast because it was so gratifying for them just to be able to hold the pole and reel the lures in and eventually catch
Ooh, it's really
fish.
fighting. Look at that. Oh, little trout.
This was an amazingly successful trip. The boys enjoyed it so much. They learned technique and were so proud of it before they even caught fish. And then when they did,
Ooh, it's
feeling the
really
fish on
fighting.
the end of
Look
the
at that.
line really got them hooked on fishing. They can't wait to go fishing again, and neither can mom and dad. It's a wonderful, wonderful way to spend time with children.